A powerful cyclone in Western Australia has forced the shutdown of some of the world's largest liquefied natural gas plants. This has left global markets increasingly vulnerable to the ongoing disruptions in West Asia. According to oil and gas company Woodside, the Karatha gas plant suffered a production interruption and has to be closed as tropical cyclone Narelle barrels down the coast. This facility is the onshore hub for the massive Northwest Shelf project, Australia's oldest and second largest LNG operation. The Karatha gas plant is the third LNG processing plant in Australia to close due to the cyclone, hampering supply of an in-demand fuel source outside West Asia. The energy giant Chevron also reported outages at its Gorgon and Wheatstone facilities, which together supply more than 5% of the world's LNG. With Iran's blockade of the Strait of Hormuz choking off West Asia exports, Asian nations have leaned heavily on Australia for fuel. According to the Asia Natural Gas and Energy Association, some 40% of Japan's LNG comes from Australia. Analysts say the cyclone came at the worst time, warning that even minor disruptions could send shockwaves through global markets. Since the US-Israel strikes against Iran, which began on February 28, LNG prices in some parts of Asia have more than doubled. Cyclone Narelle has made landfall in Western Australia, bringing winds as strong as 200 kilometers per hour. It originally made landfall in northern Queensland and the Northern Territory last week before moving along the west coast of Australia. Chevron says production will resume once conditions are safe, while Woodside has pledged to keep the market updated as Cyclone Narelle continues its march along Western Australia's coast. Energy markets are bracing for more turbulence.